everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real goodie for you. This is the Beads of the Month Club from Adornable Elements. I receive 2 of them monthly. I receive the hot and trendy beads of the month and the 2-hole beads of the month. I have a coupon below. You can use the coupon code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off on your first order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have double ones for each for $39.95 per month. And they do have quite a few other Bead of the Month clubs to choose from. So you should check out their website below. They have Gemstone Bead of the Month, they have Seed Bead of the Month, they have all different kinds. So these are my 2 for this month. I absolutely love these beads because, like I say, these take me out of my comfort zone because I'm not really a bead weaver, and so I do get to really do some creative things with them. So here we have Hidden Oasis and Jezebel Butterfly. Ooh. Okay, so let's start. Ooh, gorgeous. Okay, so let's start with the Hot and Trendy Bead of the Month Club, Hidden Oasis. I didn't want to take, I looked at these, of course, already, but I didn't want to take them out of the package because I can't put them in as nicely as they package them. So it's kind of like once they say, once you're out of the box, you're out of the box. So these are, oh, look at these. These are so pretty. And RZ's over here. Let me see. DGR, LFB, PLT, ARC, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. So the first one is green turquoise, Minos Parpucas, 7 grams, $3. So I'm just taking some of them out. Look how pretty they are. Wow. I got one whole, these would make great spacer beads too. If you're doing any kind of jewelry, or, you know, you can use these for bead weaving or you can use them for something else. So let me see here. I'll put those in. I like to take my monthly pictures of the beads when they're out of the package. I think they look prettier. So here, let me put one back in there so I know what's what. The second one is Frost Jade Splash Arcos Parpucas, 7 grams, $4.75. So these are 3-hole beads, and then look at the little get the frost. You get like, it's kind of like a light gold frost over them. They're so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Kind of like, it says jade, it's almost like a lime color. You know, it's kind of like if you were to get like a lime popsicle, that's what this color looks like to me. It's so pretty. And next is Sand Picasso Engraved PIP, 9x14mm, 15 pieces. Leave one in there. Oh, and look at these. The holes up at the top. Look at both sides. Sand Picasso engraved, 15 pieces for $5.50. Sand Picasso, that is a really great description of them, because you see the sand color underneath and then they have the Picasso finish on them, or almost like a light cream, kind of like if you were to get like a Dunkin' Donuts coffee with double cream. That's what it looks like, because I usually get that. Double cream and 1 sugar. So these are so pretty. And next is Smoked Topaz Chelsea and Stripe daggers. I'm going to pull this out, and I'm probably going to lose them all. Okay. Oh, look at these. These are just, you know, I will say these, like, just to feel these, I know you can't feel them, but they're so well made. They're so soft and smooth. Smoked Topaz Celsian striped daggers, 25 pieces for $4.25. Now, when you look, I don't know if the light's showing that. When you look at those, and the hole is up at the top, like that. They're so well made. Oh, and they're so soft. It's like so pretty. I love that the smoked topaz, the frost that goes over them. You could just see the striations in there. So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. And next is Sand Picasso bow ties. Oh, I love that name too. I'll just leave a few of them in there. These are 3-hole Sand Picasso bow ties. That's a great description of these. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. So it's a Dunkin' Donuts with double cream. And next is Smoked Topaz Amber Rizzo. 7 grams for $2.50. Let's see, I'll leave some of these in there. So these are, so they have, oh, let me see if I can hold this up. Get on the other side. So you see there's just one hole at the top. I don't know if it's showing really well. These are gorgeous. They have that smoked topaz on one side, and it's like a light gold on the other side. So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. These make really pretty, like if you dangle them, like if you're making like a choker or something and you want to start like with these dagger beads and then go up into these small ones, or just use these as dangles on like hoop earrings, because they're small enough and they're very light. So they work well with that, or you can also bead weave with them. Oh, so pretty. And next is the Smoked Topaz Leaf 10 by 12. Put that in there. Oh, and the hole goes right down the middle. So that's perfect. These are really pretty. I mean, you look at these colors together. These work really well together. The green, and then you could even add like, a bright orange, a couple pieces, along with the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. So yeah, these are so pretty. Absolutely love these. And they're 15 pieces for $2.75, in case if you didn't hear that. And then last but not least is Teal Travertine Pellet, 45 pieces for $3.50. Oh, these. Now, I know the camera's not picking up the texture in these. I don't know if the camera's picking up the texture or not. So there is one hole right there in the center. These are absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can show up a little more in the white. These are so pretty. See, and then the hole's like right there in the crease. It's got like a little crease in there. 45 pieces for $3.50. So even if you don't bead weave, a lot of these, you can use them and double up, and you can make like a 2-strand bracelet, or you can use these just as bead spacers for like a necklace or a bracelet, so you don't have to use them You know, most people use them for bead weaving, but like I like to think outside the box. So yeah, so this is the first one. Let me get to the second one. Okay, and next is Jezebel Butterfly. And this is the 2-hole bead of the month club. So pretty. Okay, so let's get these. To use. To see. SCM. BD. And okay. So let's start out with these. These are full Dorado Helios Parpucas, 6.5 grams for $4. So look at these. Here's the holes right there. Look how pretty these are. So pretty. I love this shape. It's such a cool shape. Like, almost looks like a little hat. You know, like if you made a little like doll ornament, it would be like a little hat. Kind of like Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. What was his name? Dopey? He was the one that wore a little hat like that. So here's this one. Next is Ice Slushy Licorice Samos Parpucas, 6.5 grams, $4.75. Oh, these are pretty. Put one in there. So this is the top, and then that's the bottom. Very pretty. You can always count on them for unique beads. How pretty those are. It's like they're frosty on one side, like the ice slushy, and then they're clear on the next side. Okay, next is Alabaster Metallic Sea Blue Moby Duo, 40 pieces for $3.75. Oh, these are pretty. Close this. Oh, look at these. And they're actually, like if you look at where the bead is, it's not center on here. So that side, that part is, that's like a flat bottom, and this is like a rounded top. So they have a really unique shape to them. Moby Duo. Very pretty. These are very pretty. So this, I would consider this right there to be the top. Very different. And next is Chalk Blue Luster Wave, 6.5 grams for $3. And these are so pretty. When I make my really long lariats, I use these kind of the beads. Oh, those are really pretty. See, and they have, I'm trying to hold them. See how they've got the wave? So pretty. Look at that luster going over the top. Oh, so pretty. Love these. Okay. And next is Luminescent Red Groovy Tile. Ooh. Oh, yeah, these I remember when I opened the box before I did the unboxing, because of course I do. Yeah, look at these. So if you look at them up close, they have that little groove there. So, yeah, so they're really cool, the way they're shaped. They have a really cool look to them. They have like a little, they're luminescent. They have like a little bit of a gold wash on them. Like some a little more than others, you know. So, oh, so pretty. Get Put that back in there. So beautiful. Oh, love these beads. Do you love it when I'm singing? Okay, 2HCs. Pastel Dark Coral 2-hole caps. 25 pieces for $5. Look at these. So pretty. So it's flat on one side, and then it's like a dome top on the other, and there's 2 holes in there. Look at how pretty those are. Pastel Dark Coral. Almost looks like a pink lipstick. I guess is what you could say. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Oh, darn. I only have 2 more. This is the Ruby Luster Super Duo. 12.5 grams for $3.50. Oh, look at these. You get a lot of these beauties. There's a few in there. Oh, Ruby Lusters. And look at that. They have that little bit of the gold over there. See, kind of like this one right there. Oh, look at these. These would be beautiful together. Oh, these are so pretty. You can see they're 2 holes. Oh, stay here. Don't want to drop one bead. They might miss their family beads. So look at that. Look how pretty these are. Let me see here. Here's another one. Okay. Oh, so gorgeous so far. And then these are the Crystal Dorado Drop Duos. 50 pieces for $2.75. Oh, and these are cool. So this is, almost looks like a teardrop kind of. And then that's the 2 holes right there. So it would lay like this. So you could do like one way, one the next way, you know. So pretty. Bead weave. You could probably make like a little flower petal out of these. Do that, and then like you put one of these there, and then do them around like that. That would be really pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So unfortunately, I'm done with the unboxing. These are so pretty. Oh, I just love these. So like I said, I have the link below in the description, and the coupon code is BNJewelry10, and you will save 10% off on your first order. And you have to check out their website. They have so many beauties. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I also have all of my social media below, and my Etsy store, my Facebook, my Instagram, and my Pinterest account. And I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, because I have lots more to come. So I will see you on my next unboxing or my next tutorial, and you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you.